Hello guys, it's your mother-in-law coming over to visit and she requested I should make amala for her. But you as Ìyàwó ilé, you cannot make amala. Don't panic, okay? Let me show you how it's done. Here I have my yam flour. So you're going to go ahead and sift it just to avoid any lumps or any sharps, in the flour. You make sure that it's smooth, you get what I mean. Then to a boiling water, you add enough water that can make the amala the quantity you want. Then after it's boiling like this, you add you know, your yam flour and mix thoroughly. Just ensure that you mix immediately, okay, to avoid lumps. And the one I added is not enough, so I'm adding more, flour to kind of thicken it up. But you can add as much as you want, you understand, depending on how soft or how thick you want it to be. Then you go ahead to mix till it's well combined and ensure that there's no lumps in it. Okay, and that's exactly what I am doing here right now. Okay, so after mixing, you mix till it's very smooth, and now I've gotten the consistency that I want. And I'm going to go ahead to add water to it now so that it can properly cook. So you add not so much water, you can just add a little bit and cook for like 3 to 5 minutes. You know, just after adding the water, you cover it and allow it to cook. And after 5 minutes, you come back to it, and this is your amala. Then you go ahead to stir it very well. I hope with this video you can now make that very nice amala for your mother-in-law. Okay. Now just serve it the way you want. And now I'm enjoying mine with smoked fish or course soup. You can serve it whatever you want.